Hey guys, how's everybody doing? So it's been a while since I load up a video. So today I'm gonna share with you this Hyundai Sonata 2018, the rear suspension. Okay, making you could say a clunk clunk noise or a squeak. First of all, I felt as if it's a squeak noise, right? So I suspected it was the shock, because when I push down on the trunk, you kind of hear a squeak noise. But as you can see, it still look good, but then the look does not matter. Okay, um, there's a few things when it comes to noise around suspension. It could be a clunking noise, it could be a squeaking noise. Okay, like it's not the brake. Okay, because if the brake you're driving, you'll hear it. That's different. Like you're going on bumps, you'll hear of squeaking noise on a suspension or clonking. Okay, so a lot of things could happen. It could be your shock, bushings, a control arm, sway bar link, and ball joint. However, I already checked for play in this area already for all that. So what you want to do is, you got, once you check, and if you know you hold your tires and you start to move it around top and up and down and side to side. If you don't feel any play, good. Then the next step you want to do is take out your tires. Okay, and when you take out your tire, first of all, I was suspecting the shock, but it wasn't. Okay, the next step, it could be too. Okay, I'm not saying it isn't, because when I put a jack in here, I raise it up, you don't hear anything anymore. But then a lot of the time, when you hear clunk 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 clunk, clunk noise, usually at the rear, it's always usually. Okay, I'm not saying all the time, everybody's different. Okay, most likely it's a sway bar link. Okay, like for example, this one I inspected, it's really tight. And I opened it up the other day. I even opened up this. Okay, but the thing is, this bolt is seized in there. So I had really trouble taking it out, and it was really cold. I didn't want to deal with it. Anyhow, I put it back. I sprayed some lubricant. The noise is gone, but this was not the issue here. This is really tight, and then the way this one looked, it kind of funny looking. But it's tight. It's supposed to be tight. It's not supposed to be it's not supposed to be soft. Okay, now look at this. So today it's a better weather, and this side, the other side was kind of crooked, remember, bent. That's normal. But look at this one. I can turn it with my hand. Okay, I can turn it with my hand. That's very dangerous. Even though, okay, even though when you're looking at this, where am I trying to show you? Even though when you're looking at this, it looks fine, but fine's not good. Okay, so this is really bad already. Okay, and when it comes to sway bar link, these part, if you feel that, you better change it right away, because if this breaks, you're in trouble. You're really in trouble. It's gonna clunk your car down. Okay, so that needs to be replaced. And so far, that's what I find right now. Don't go and diagnose things and change this and change that. You got to find the right one first, the one that is broken or really bad first. Change that first, see if that noise goes away. Okay, then you go to the next stage. Like I said earlier, I did felt like a like a squeak or a clunk clunk clunk, but the past couple days I felt a clunk instead of a squeak. So that could make a play in there. Let's for example, this was bad, it could make all sorts of sound in here. But so far I've decided, because when I was driving I heard it on the other side, but you know what, things play on you. If you open this side up, there's your symptom right there. So when checking this rear suspension, guys, I advise you guys to lift it up, both wheels up, open it up, check it first, okay? That way you have a visual inspection, see how it is, which one is bad. And a lot of time, like I said, it could be bushing, that if the bushing's worn out, it could make a clunk 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 noise too, because metal to metal, right? Yet in this scenario, it's on the right side rear, okay? So I hope this video kind of give you some sort of tip. It's not gonna be everybody's vehicle is gonna be different, but the sort of noise that's gonna make it's gonna like like a little clunk 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 once you're driving over bumps and all that kind of thing, okay? So until then, guys, I hope you liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Other than that, have a great day. I gotta buy the parts now. Take care.